What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have available my friend's Camaro SS, and I have the keys right here. Let's see if we can get it started. This is a 2023 Camaro SS with a V8 engine. I don't know if you can see it there because of the light, but there you go. I already did a review on the Camaro. Well, this one has bigger wheels, nice alloys, V8 engine, of course. Let's take a look under the hood. Oh, I think I have to press here. You have nice Camaro SS badging over here. Oh, before I get in, Camaro lights up right here on the side. All right, let's actually start it up. And of course, we're gonna put it in sports mode. It is in sport. We're gonna put it in track. Woo! She sounds really good. Yeah, she sounds very, very good. You got a sunroof over here. I hate that I'm doing this review at nighttime, but it is what it is. You know, you have all your controls over here. You have navigation in this model. And a nice Bose stereo. Let's take a look under the hood. Let me see if I can get the hood latch. There you go. You have it, the big Camaro V8. Yeah, we're gonna take this bad boy for a drive. This is a beautiful looking car, guys. Beautiful looking car. Yes, I know I have the keys with me. That's why she's screaming. But yeah, let's take her for a drive. So inside the Camaro SS, we're gonna close the sunroof. And what's the traction control button in this car? So I'm trying to find the traction control button in this car. Oh, here it is. So we're gonna press and hold that. There you go. You guys already know what I'm gonna do. I'll put the windows down. Make sure it's in track mode. It's in track. Let's do this. Just right here, we're just gonna beautiful. Yeah, they're looking for me, but they won't find me. We're going this way. This is a very fast, very fun car. Yeah, I had to do a little, let's do a little pull on this car. this Camaro is very quick, man. I mean, it has a V8. What can you expect? It has a V8. Very quick car. We're gonna do another pull. Put the windows down. Oh, wait. I forgot I had turned off the traction control. Press and hold. Yes sir, yes sir, the Camaro. This Camaro, man, you can get hold of a muscle car with a V8. It's the best thing ever. I love muscle cars, I love V8s, I love the sound, the power, how easy it is to slide the car. It's just beautiful. I love it. There you have it, guys. 455 horsepower, 455 foot-pound of torque. In a V8. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. Yeah, so as you guys just saw, the police officer actually pulled up on me. And, I was just making a video. He pulled up and said, we have reports of a red sports car doing burnouts and donuts. I said, well, sir, I've been here this whole time. I'm just doing a video for my friend of this car because he has it for sale. That was definitely not me doing burnouts and donuts. He said, fine, can I get some identification? I told him, sure. Give him my driver's license, insurance, the paperwork for the car, registration, all of that. He checked everything checked out. Everything was good, and he said, well, you all say you're good to go. So that was it. So yeah, nothing crazy. But yeah, I definitely picked up all my stuff and I went out of there. But yeah, nothing too serious. I mean, I wasn't doing anything bad, right? I wasn't doing anything bad. I wasn't doing anything. I was just making a video of the Camaro. That was it. So with the Camaro, you get 20-inch wheels, 275, 35, 20s all around. And it's a very beautiful and powerful muscle car. I'm not a big fan of Camaros, but this one is kind of grew on me, so I kind of like it. Beautiful car. You also get this signature Camaro taillights. You get an SS badging over here and dual exhaust. This wing is actually pretty nice, as you guys can see. And very interesting fact about this car, right over here in the antenna, you have the backup light, the rear camera light. There it is. Most cars have it in the trunk. This one has it right up there. Very cool little detail. Let me see what else I can find about this car. Of course, this one being the SS, the front fascia, the whole bumper, it's a little different from the base model. And you also have these heat extractors in the hood. But that's about it. Yeah, my friend is gonna get pretty mad when he sees me doing these donuts, but hey, he knows how I am. Another cool detail about the interior of the Camaro, you have these ambient lights on the doors, which look pretty neat. They also run right around the infotainment system. And look at this. This is the rear camera, which you can convert to a regular mirror, or you can convert to the camera. That's pretty cool. A lot of cars have that features nowadays. But yeah, I also love the steering wheel. The steering wheel feels very nice and sporty, flat bottom. And again, there you have that heads-up display. You can see right here the rear view camera in action as I leave the parking lot. This is a very nice car to drive. Feels very sporty. It's very quiet if you're not throwing it. It only gets loud if you know, put your foot down. In the Camaro, you also get the heads-up display right there. So when you're driving, you can see the heads-up display in the windshield, as you guys can see. Yeah, I'm really enjoying driving this car. It's really fun. But there's always somebody that gets right in front of you. There's always that one person, you know? So you have to slow down, or you can hit it again. Backhand gets loose. That backhand just fishtailed on me. Gotta be careful. Fun. I don't know why I never get used to Camaros. Something about Camaros, man, it just doesn't really. This one kind of does, because it's a V8 and it sounds and it's fast, but something about Camaros just doesn't grow on me. And I don't know if it's because I'm used to driving, you know, the Dodge Challenger or Mustangs, but I don't know, it's just something. Like, even though this car is very fun and all, I would never buy a Camaro. I would definitely go for the Challenger first, or a Mustang, before I buy this. Again, this car is very fun, and I recommend that if you like Camaros, props to you. It's a really fun car, but it's not something that I will buy, you know? Just put the windows down. She sounds amazing. Yeah guys, 2023 Camaro, 455 horsepower and torque. Pretty fun little car. Almost got me in trouble today, but I have to say it's a fun car to drive. And yeah, I actually like it. Another thing that I like about this car, it pops. When you downshift, you hear that, you know, it pops and bangs. So that's pretty cool. I love that too. So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna give it one more pull. You always have to make use of the overpass. Let's go. Sounds fantastic. wants to play. Alright guys, so that's it on the Camaro. Make sure to like, comment, and share, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more content coming, so you don't want to miss out. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.